Top selling products on Clickbank with one click of a button. Is that possible? Well, by the end of this video, you're gonna learn exactly how to find the best selling products on Clickbank with one click of a button without using any additional software. I know right now you're probably confused, frustrated, and overwhelmed by all this information online telling you exactly what kind of product to sell, when to sell it, and how to sell it. I just want to let you know that I was in your shoes 10 years ago. I was frustrated with an avalanche of all information coming from all directions telling me what to sell and how to sell it online. Well, all that happened a while back until I met my mentor. That happened 10 years ago and I met my mentor. Now, since then, I have done 800 joint ventures online and I coached over 1,200 entrepreneurs of how to start their business online. And I'm gonna do the same thing with you. What I mean by that is I usually set an objective of $10,000. You have to make $10,000 on Clickbank, only on Clickbank alone. And by that time, you'll be able to make even more money using other platforms. Now, if you want to be part of this, all you have to do is subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you can get the latest information. But for right now, let's go ahead and get started. Now I'll show you on my computer exactly how it's that done. Okay, Mark Daniels here, and like I promised you before that I'm going to show you the best selling products on Clickbank with one click of a button. You're probably wondering, how is that possible? Well, it is possible. I've been doing this for over 10 years and I have coached over 1,200 people. So I'm going to make it very simple here. I'm going to take you step by step and I'm not going to cover the elementary stuff. I'm going to go ahead and go for the most important aspect of what I'm trying to show you here. Now we are on Clickbank right here and you want to click on affiliate marketplace. What I'm going to show you is something very simple, but in case you have any issues, make sure you put something in the comment that you got it or you didn't get what I'm trying to show you here. I'm going to go ahead and do it very slowly here. Now you go, of course, to the marketplace here. Now you see this, it says find product. Now you click on it once. You don't have to put anything. Do not put anything in here. Just click enter one time. Now what's going to happen here, the system here in Clickbank is going to pull most of all of their products that are basically selling the most. Now you can tell here they got different stuff from different backgrounds. So this is basically what is the most popular in its niche, plus this one, plus this. So the best selling is this one right here. Now I know there is a lot of people that they try to teach you gravity and things like that, or like pull things by gravity. Gravity is like magical thing. It's really not. Gravity is basically telling you how many affiliates are actually doing it. So if you have a whole lot of affiliates selling the same thing, the gravity is going to be high. Now what is that going to mean? It's going to be saturated. Maybe you want to stay away from it, but at the same time sometimes the gravity is high but the product still selling strong, selling very strong. And I'm going to go ahead and show you a different example. If you take a look at this, the gravity is high, but nonetheless, it's still very popular because it's very emotional. If you looked at it, or if you go on a sales page or what have you, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, this is like the best selling one. This is the best selling. This is the third best. This is the fourth. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to pick from that. Now, these are not niche oriented. In other words, they're not basically based on one niche. This is giving you the whole thing and you can pick whatever you want, because sometimes, I don't know, I mean, it depends on your niche and what you are doing.
And it's very important to know your niche as well. But here you can go through it, find what is really reasonable and very good for you, that you are passionate about. Make sure you are passionate about, very, very familiar with the product. I usually buy the product myself and then I do it. Now, I do the same thing with all my students. I've done that for, in the last 8 years on this platform, which is Clickbank. The reason for that is because you can train yourself. It's easy to get in, and at the same time, you'll be able to make money while you are getting familiar with online marketing. Now, I want to make a very important disclaimer here that if you pick the best product or the best selling product, that doesn't mean you're going to be successful online. Now, I'm going to do the same thing as I do to my students. I've been doing this for a long time. I pick different niches. And I'm not gonna sit there and tell you about me, how good I am, because this video is not about me, it's about you. I'm gonna try to show you things that I wish someone else 10 years ago showed me. Nobody wants to give anything away of value online, whether on YouTube or somewhere else, to help somebody else. So I'm doing this basically for you to be able to pick the product. That doesn't mean you're going to be a millionaire. In order for you to be a super affiliate, this is just one piece of the puzzle or one piece of the formula that you should know. Now, I'm going to share some tricks here with you as well that you should do. Now, when you go in here, for example, you see this where it says required product types. It's very important to click two things. One of them is this, the other one is this. Now, the reason for that is you want to have the tools already there. If you don't have the tools, for example, that means you have to create your own tools. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about email, swipe files, promotional keywords. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is promote the product. But I'm not going to sit there and try to make it. It is so simple. Again, like I tell my people that I work with, that this is the first step. There are other products. The goal that I set for everybody is $10,000 on Clickbank. You should be making $10,000 before you do anything else. There are other networks that a lot of people know about. Some of them don't know about. And there are some private network that hardly anybody knows about. The reason I click must have affiliate tool page, so you'll have the tools that are needed for you to promote that product. The second one here is very self-explanatory. You don't want to do anything that is not supportive on mobile devices. If you take a look, for example, on this, I'm going to go ahead and explain something, and I'm going to explain two strategies that you can take under consideration. I know some people, for example, they want to only sell high-ticket items, which is good. The other thing is that when you sell in high-ticket items, it's good to have a relationship with the consumer, or you are known, or you know exactly what you are doing, or you've been doing it for a while. There are some marketing rules that in order for you to gain or sell high-ticket items right away. Now, the other thing is that you can use what I call the gateway to a different product. For example, you can use this right here for maybe you can sell it because you have something else to sell. Maybe it's your own product or maybe another product. So in other words, you want to get somebody on your mailing list. Now, a lot of affiliates do it wrong because they don't have a autoresponder capturing page in them, or they don't know how to track things. You can do it very easily, but this is not for this session or not for this video. If you want to know how to do it, please let me know by putting something in the comment area below. This is right here, could be the gateway in case you have something else to sell. So it's not always bad that something is actually low, because they provide a lot of information here and they try to help you a lot about getting this sales done. After you get it, you should be able to put it on your own autoresponder and build your own list. You can sell your own product, whether affiliate product or your own product that you made. Now, if you're new, I do not recommend you at all to start your own product. Most gurus, the way they do it is they sell other people's product. Hopefully you will do it with residual. I'm not going to go show you exactly how I do it because I don't know what your niche is. Now, if you don't know what your niche is or what you're passionate about, let me know. I do have a step-by-step process to figure out exactly what is your niche that you most likely to make more money. It's very important to be passionate about what you are selling and be ethical about it as well. Now, I'm going to go ahead and run through here a little bit just to let you know about some stuff. Now, the average sale this is basically average money sale right here, is that what most people usually make. The average percentage is like 78% of whatever that product is. And right here, it tells you a rebuild. That means what? That means there is nothing else. It's not a funnel, for example. It's just one product only. Continue here. There is no rebuild. It's like 1.0. The gravity is 171. But again, the gravity is not everything. The common sense, I'm going to give you an example. If somebody have a very good product and they're selling it on Clickbank, obviously common sense will tell us that, okay, even the product is really good and it's selling, but the gravity numbers did not really catch up with it because it's going to take time. It doesn't happen from the first or the second or the third week. It takes a little bit of time so you can start making sense of it. Usually you can't make sense of it very quickly. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to pick something else right there so I can show you, for example, something that has something with a funnel and residual income. And that's basically what I usually do. Like, okay, like this one right here. Now you can tell me if this is a funnel. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, you can make 50% of whatever they are selling, and then there is a rebuild. What does that mean? That means they have some kind of continuity program, or they have maybe a monthly billing, and this is what that is. This is the average rebilling total that you will make. So they do have something, and this is something for you to be making money from, and this is the average rebilling percentage that you will get. So this is something good. Most of these, for example, they do try to help you a lot so you can succeed. Let's say if you want to go to the affiliate page, you click here and it should take you to the affiliate page. Of course, right here, and that's what I'm talking about, they do have sample emails that you can use, but you have to kind of give them some information. For some of them, they have promotional links. Again, this is the first piece of how to become successful, is to pick the right product. Now you can go through the whole thing and pick something makes sense to you. This is it for right now. I'll see you soon.
Now, I really hope that you enjoyed that video and it was of value to you. But just in case, what I'd like you to do is tell me in the chat below or in the comment area below that what is it that you want to learn the next time, and the one thing that takeaway that you got from this video. Because I've been in this business for a long time and I can create a lot of things that can help a lot of people, but I like to know exactly what you are going through. So go ahead in the chat, take advantage of it, and let me know what is it that you're struggling with. And I'll try to help you as much as I can. But before you go, make sure to check the next video, which is going to be valuable right here. And make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and hit that notification button so you can get the first information firsthand before anybody else. See you at the top.